Hello, this is the third assignment for virtualization cloud computing. The assignment is to create a local VM and auto scale it to GCP or any other public cloud when the resource usage exceeds 75%. So for this, we are using Puppy Linux, and for the public cloud, we are using GCP. So the objective and the overview is to see when the CPU or the memory utilization of the local Puppy Linux VM exceeds 75% of its overall utilization, then the system automatically provisions a new VM instance in Google Cloud and deploys a web server, effectively scaling it to the cloud. So this is the overall architecture, and this is the flow. So for this we need a virtual box. So we have Oracle virtual box in our case, and for the Puppy Linux installation we need a Puppy Linux ISO, GCP account, and an SDK installed in the VM. And so what we are doing right now, we'll first we need to install the VM. So I have the VM installed. This is the Oracle VirtualBox, and here we have a Puppy Linux installed. It has 16 MB of display memory and 7.9 GB of overall space. Processors are 4 and 5 GB of RAM. So we are using this. Apart from that, so we have installed it. Uh, we After installation we need to use this. We use the terminal. So I'll show the terminal what I had installed. So this is the GCP one. I have another terminal opened, which is this one. So we have completed all these installation prerequisites. After this, what we'll do is this is the prerequisite of how to update every package and how to update all kinds of libraries and stuff. After that, we have installed GCP SDK, Google Cloud SDK, which is here. You can see. So we have initialized the Google Cloud after installation, and after this, we can see here that we have the option to select which project we have. So if you look into my GCP project, uh, so my project name is GCP VM Assignment 2, uh, and you can see here the project is same. This is the option that is showing, and we have selected 2 as an option, and the region is default. I have kept it as default, uh, which is 8. I have chosen 8 US Central A. So before that I should show you what exactly is there in my VM. So we have these 3 files, script files. Here we can see that when we are trying to open the scale to GCP, we can see that we have used the GCP instance project ID. The project ID is this. Since you have seen that it is the same ID as what we have in the console of GCP. The zone is US Central A. The region is 1. Machine type is E2 micro Debian 11. So this comes in default, and the network I have used is default as well. So this was it, and the monitor sh will run. We have this CPU usage thing, and we have threshold as 75%. So we have all these files there. There is a load generation, sorry, we have a load generation file. We have a CPU load generation that we can simulate the load for. So we have these 3 files. So that part is complete. So after installation and this initialization, we are authenticating the cloud, You can see here that in the terminal we have authenticated it. Here we have signed in. I have authenticated it here, and this is the IIT Jodhpur credential. After authenticating, I have gone through this downloads where exactly those files were. After that, we have used chmod and to run all the files, all the scripts that we have, and then finally we are running the monitor.sh. Here, since the space is quite less for PUBP Linux, I have so I'll just run it again just to show you. Uh, this was the monitor.sh, and just to test, there are no instances. I have for testing I had created one, so now there is no instances. I'll run this file, I'll run the script. Starting auto instance due to high resource usage. Now it will start. I'll refresh it once to check. Yes, we can see here that the instance has actually uh, been created. This is called auto scaled instance, and you can check the ID of the instance, the name of the instance. It should be the same as this. Sorry, where was it? Yeah. So, so this was the auto instance 212, and this you can see that it's the same name. So the instance has been cre- created. Once we go inside that instance, yes, we can see that is running. The location is the same, and yes, the auto instance name is Debian 11. So it is working fine. Similarly, this successfully launched instance autoscale, this one, and this is the internal IP, this is the external IP, and the status is running. So we can see that the assignment is completed and it is working fine. So this part is complete. Now this was the auto scaling things, and this is the GitHub, and I'm currently recording it, so I'll upload it here. And the scripts I will be uploading here right now after I complete with this recording. So thank you.